Just like with your saw blades and router bits, your molding head and the knives that go with it need to be stored properly to protect your investment. This easy-to-make case will keep everything protected and organized. The sides of the box are ripped from a good quality 1/2-inch plywood 3 1/4 inches wide. 2 are cross-cut to 12 inches long, and 2 to 11 5/16. The sides will be assembled using Corob's number 37 drawer joint profile. The ends of the 12-inch sides will be cut on the table saw using the molding head cutter. This allows the parts to lay flat on the table as they're cut, which tends to give the best results. The ends of the shorter sides will be cut with the same number 37 profile in the shaper cutter. This also allows the parts to be cut laying flat on the table. Both halves of the cut can be done with the molding head, but the end cuts will need to be done vertically. However it's cut, this joint is a fast and easy construction technique that provides plenty of glue surface. The sides are then dry fit together to get an accurate measurement for the panels top and bottom. 2 1/4-inch grooves are then milled into each of the 4 sides to accept the panels. The joints are then glued, the panels fitted, and everything clamped together. Just be sure that the joints are tight and the box is square. The lid now needs to be cut away from the box. Cutting the first 3 sides is simple. To separate the final side, a couple of spacers, the same thickness as the blade, are clamped into the kerfs already cut. This prevents the 2 parts from moving unexpectedly as they're separated. It's the safest way to make this cut. Now the box just needs a little sanding along the sawn edges, hinges added, and a latch attached. This is an easy and inexpensive box to make and can be used for all sorts of things. The interior of the box is now fitted with foam to hold all the pieces. This is soft foam rubber. It's easy to cut and shape to accommodate whatever pieces need to be stored. A 1-inch wide section is cut out to hold the knives. The bottom of this slot is lined with a 1/4-inch thick piece, and foam dividers added between each knife set. Next, the space for the molding head is marked out, and a foam plug removed from that spot. The foam material shown here is pre-scored into 1/2-inch blocks. Other types may simply require cutting along the lines. But in either case, once the plug is removed, it can be cut crosswise to remove about 3/4 of an inch of depth. A fine-tooth blade on the bandsaw makes this cut quickly and cleanly. The plug is then put back in place, creating a spot for the molding head. The same basic techniques are used to create a place for the spacer and Allen wrench as well. Without a lot of effort or expense, you can keep your molding head and its various parts organized and protected. Find out more by visiting our website at www.corobcutters.com.